Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your own lapel pin using a vintage or a foreign coin like this. This is 1 Egyptian pound and we are going to be using this silver or chrome plated lapel pin. So when you're selecting your lapel pin, it comes, the ones I have come in golden color and silver. So even before you start, just make sure that the lapel pin works just fine, that the rubber inside does not come off, and the pin goes in seamlessly and holds firm. Because there are some that come defected like this. You can see this one, the metal part came off. So just make sure to counter check that before you begin creating your lapel pin, because once you've stuck that, then these parts cannot be replaced, because this part is welded together with the circular part. So guys, even before we go on, you're going to sand the back side of that circular part. This is to just roughen it up a little bit, and this effectively helps it stick perfectly on your coin. Okay, and to stick them together, we're going to be using epoxy. This is a sparkle epoxy resin. So you're going to be using a mixing surface so you don't damage your working area. So we're just going to use a little, like so. That is the resin, and we are going to put an equal amount of the hardener, like that. Once you've done that, now you're going to mix them equally and effectively so that each part mixes into the other. So that you have the strongest of bonds. Remember to check the time that it takes for your glue to set. So this one that I'm using sets in 4 minutes. So you also don't want to leave your working area because the glue dries up real fast. So once you've done that, you're going to identify the part that you want or the way that you want your coin to face. So this one in particular, it's going to face that way. That is the face and that is the tail. So this is where we are going to attach our lapel pin. So before you attach it, just make sure there is no dust around that part. Then you're going to place it on your surface, like so. Also remember to wipe your lapel pin. And then we are going to take a huge chunk of the glue, like so. And then we are going to apply it on top of our lapel pin, like so. Remember to apply enough glue so that it holds stronger. And then now you're going to place it on the back side of your coin, like so. And then you can use a pencil to press it right at the middle, so that the glue spreads out like that. And then once you've done that, we are going to leave it to set and dry completely for at least 3 hours. Okay, so I'm back after around 3 hours, and as you can see, the glue is completely dry now. And you can also test it and see whether it comes off, and it's really strong. So we have our ferro lapel pin. Okay, so that's how, guys, you create a vintage coin or a foreign coin lapel pin. Let me know if you try out creating a lapel pin for yourself or want to sell, and let me know how it turns out. Guys, if you've not subscribed, remember to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.